How to create Meta Business Suite account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Business Suite app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of download process, you can launch this app. In order to create your Meta Business Suite account, you'll need to have a Facebook account. Also, you'll need to create a Facebook page to get access to Meta Business Suite account. So first you can close this, launch your Facebook, make sure you have already logged into your account, then navigate to the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right you will find 3 dots, click on it. You will get this pop-up, create Facebook profile, click on it. Then select any of these options and create your Facebook page. Once you create your Facebook page, you can close this, then launch your Business Suite app. Now click on the option of login with a different account type. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will need to type in your Facebook account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your email or phone number and then password. After you type in, click on login. And just with that, your Meta Business Suite account will be created. Now you can head towards the home page and make changes to your account. Well, this way you can easily create Meta Business Suite account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.